Sorry about the lack of intro, I just forgot to film one, unfortunately, but I'm going to be testing the new L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation that says it has 24-hour wear. I'm wearing it right now, and you will see I've come across a little challenge, and so you'll see that, but sorry for the lack of intro. I just apparently went straight into the video, so here is a little after filming editing Maddie intro. Enjoy the video. I'm going to be testing the new L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade Ivory and see like the wear test, and it is like past 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so probably have a few hours of wear in it. But I just want to see how the shade matches and see how it covers and everything, so it does get started. Oh, I'm going to prime first using the new Coconut Dream Hydrating Primer and see how this works. I'm just going to take a bit of that. I'm going to focus this on like T-zone and kind of spread outward. Oh, it does have a really strong coconut scent. I don't know what it reminds me of. It reminds me of something coconutty, like maybe some kind of like chocolate with like coconut filling or something. Or oh, it's reminds me of Almond Joy. That kind of coconut scent. Yeah, that's what it smells like. Alright, and then with the excess, I'm just gonna put it down my neck a bit to hydrate and let that sink in for a second. Alright. Too high. Oh, damn. Alright. And then I also did. Hello, editing Maddie here again. I didn't see as I was blending in the primer that I forgot that white speck on my cheek that I did not blend in, so maybe that's why my foundation was a little which you'll see in a little bit, but it just annoys me, so I'm sorry about that for anyone who is like looking at that and is like, Maddie, you didn't blend it in, and so earlier on in the day when I did shower and everything, and I washed my face, I moisturized my face with the Epionce Renewal Light Facial Lotion, and I actually love this stuff a lot. I'm using it more and more often, and it's thick, but it's lightweight at the same time, and it's not greasy. It makes your skin look really fresh and dewy and just moisturized, hydrated. So, why is this not on? I usually have that light on. Alright, so that's settled. Let's see, let's take into it. It has a little sticker, so you can just break it off. And it has a pump. So I'm gonna start out with like probably one pump on the back of my hand. Let's see. Ooh, it's very liquidy. Very liquidy. So that's what it looks like. It might match, but you never know. Alright, let's. And it doesn't have really a smell at all, actually, which is good. I'm just gonna take my beauty sponge and pat it in. I'll probably take another pump or a pump and a half just to give me a little bit more coverage. But so far, it's blending really nicely. And these are the Beauty Bakery sponges that come in like the little kind of like egg carton, which is so cute. And you get 6 of them for like $18. So it's such a great deal. Like, if, compared to like one beauty blender for $20, you're getting 6 of them for $2 less than what you would pay for a beauty blender, which is amazing. And they are, in my opinion, they work really well. They're very soft and squishy, which I like, and I don't usually like the bottom or the butt, as they call it, of the sponge for pouncing the foundation. I just like the side of it because it kind of gives me a little bit more ground to cover. So I'm gonna add a little bit more, probably like another pump on the back of my hand to do my forehead, and then add more as needed. I remember when I first started doing makeup, and I think especially the foundation they used to use like a lot was the Rimmel London like mousse foundation, and I remember it because of like the thick moussey texture, and I guess maybe the color too because it was kind of dark. Yeah, and then I don't know why, or maybe it's like my makeup skill back in that day, but oof, my skin just looked cakey and gross and matte because that foundation is has a very matte finish to it, which that was like my forte how long ago when I first did my makeup. I don't know, maybe like 6 or 7 years ago. So, alright, let's see. Wow. That does not look good. It's like bunching up and like drying or something, but what the heck? Let's use the back of it to kind of pick up some product. Maybe it's that, maybe it's a primer, but I have no idea what's going on here. That looks so weird. Let's see if that helped at all. No, it's like making my skin look textured. What the hell is going on here? Let's see if I can kind of smear it on with my fingers. Maybe that will help. Yeah, it's like coming up with like these little like flakies. Hold on, let me. If you can see that, I don't know if you can, but it has these little like flakies. You know what? I honestly want to just start again. Let's just. I want these little like single towelette things. So let's start again. Without the primer. I love how these are folded up. They're so cute. I'm gonna just wet it a little bit more with some water. Alright, let's try this again. I don't want to waste foundation, but you know, whatever. Alright. So I'll just give this a fair shot. Okay. Hopefully. Okay, let's go in again. And like a pump and I don't know, three quarters or something. And just go right in. See what this does. Ooh, that definitely looks better without the primer. Hello, Editing Maddie here once again. I made the right decision, or the right choice, to skip the primer on the second round because the foundation looks so much better. It sits beautifully on the skin. I've only had it on for like 2.5 hours. But yeah, it looks really good. I'm a bit shiny, but you know what? I kind of like it like that because I don't look too oily. But yeah, I love the foundation. So really good. Oh yeah, this looks so much better than the other part, but okay. I love the feel of it. It's like light. It's the consistency of the foundation is very runny, which I like. then it's, because I feel like with thicker foundations, the texture is just, okay, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Fair Rose Concealer, the hydrating kind. And I'm going to try it. So do you like highlighted under eyes? It has a big doe foot, which I love so much. Let's see. Alright, and then just take the sponge again and press it into the under eye area. Oh yeah, I like this. Oh, I like this one. That looks really well under the eyes. I'm not going to do any eye makeup today because I don't feel like it. I'm just testing out this foundation. So, and then the rest can just go on my skin. Alright. Alright, let's set these under eyes before they crease. I'm gonna use the new baking powder in the shade Translucent from Makeup Revolution. There we go. It's coming out. But come on. So I'm gonna use that after I take out my creases here. And just, I don't think I'm gonna do any baking. I guess I don't do that. So I'm just gonna set. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup off camera and then I'll check back in with you guys. Okay, I'm gonna set this face with the Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glowing Fixing Spray, and then I'm gonna do my highlight. So, I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighting Powder in Golden Lights. This is really old, but it's a good highlighter. And I'm gonna use a Real Techniques setting brush because I love these for setting my under eye and also highlighting the face. So let's highlight. Just kind of highlight the cheekbones and nose down the bridge and on the tip, and then wherever is left, just all over the face really. Of blue. Okay, so this under eye is looking kind of weird. It's like looking a bit patchy. I don't know if it's because I went back with like my sponge to kind of blend it out more, but it's, I don't know, it's acting really strangely. So let's add a bit more coverage here. I'm just gonna use the same concealer and just go over it with my finger. See if that helps a bit. And it does a bit. Not much, but a bit. I think because I used, like I went back over it with like the sponge, but it was kind of dry, so it kind of picked up product. You'll say my name is Slide. I'm gonna go over with just some water fixing spray because I don't want to waste this because it's such a tiny bottle. Down here in like this cheek area, it looks really good and smooth. My forehead looks a little kind of textured and almost patched, kind of dry. But that might be because of the fixing spray I just put on. So yeah. that's all the makeup I'm going to do today. I think tomorrow I'm going to test out my new Zoeva Authentic Luminous foundation, and then I'll do like another video on that. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. And I might do a kind of check-in with you before I take it off, because it is, I don't know, like probably 5 o'clock now or something, 4:30, 5 o'clock. And I'll probably give you a heads up too, since I wear glasses and I wear when I wear foundation, I'll have like kind of like some marks on the side of my nose. That's because of my glasses, the nose pieces. They will kind of wear the foundation more there. So that's not that's not the foundation's fault. It's just me. It's just the fact that I wear glasses. So alright, I will see you all in a little bit for chicken. Alright, hey guys, I'm about to take off my makeup. It's about, let's see, 10:40 at night. I just want to do a quick check-in to see how it looks. It's been on since probably about 5 o'clock, maybe, like, yeah, 5 o'clock, so it's been about like 5 hours and 40 minutes, almost 6 hours, but not quite. Let's see. It looks okay. It's starting to kind of, it looks a little bit drier on my nostrils, but that's kind of like regular for me, or not regular, but like, you know, usual. Let's see, my forehead was looking a little shiny earlier, but now it's not. The under eyes are looking a little bit creasy and crackly. And then again, like I said, for my glasses, it kind of wears it like that. So that's not the foundation's fault. That's just my glasses. But yeah, overall it looks really good. Still looks fresh, as the name suggests, fresh wear. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna be doing another one tomorrow, with another foundation. Please like and subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see more videos like this, or maybe like a nighttime skincare routine, or maybe a morning skincare routine. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy your night, day, whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.